Hello aspiring Linux enthusiasts, welcome to Linux in 5 minutes. I'm Ayomide Oyedele and today we are diving into the exciting world of Linux, unraveling the basics in just 5 minutes. So whether you're new to Linux or looking to refresh your skill, this crash course will give you a solid foundation to start your journey. First things first, what is Linux? This is an open source operating system that powers everything from servers to smartphones, and of course it's very versatile, it's very secure, and of course highly customizable. So then, think of it as a powerful toolbox where you interact with the system itself through the use or the aid of command line or graphical user interfaces. Now let's dive into the terminal, which is the heart of Linux, and of course to navigate these we use various commands. One important command you might want to note is the ls that we use in viewing files, cd to change directories, and pwd to see our present working directories. So the command line interface is like a GPS in the Linux world. Now, creating files is something that is going to be very particular to cybersecurity analysts, and of course you can do this easily by using commands like the touch. So you use touch followed by the file name to create a new file. Now, to edit this file, you can use either the nano or vim to make edits to the files that you created on your system. And of course, after editing, you want to save or exit with these commands, Ctrl O or Ctrl X. Now, you want superpowers. Now, of course, use sudo before a command. Now, you have to remember that with great power, of course, comes great responsibilities. So as security analysts, we are not about abusing privileges that we are given, especially on systems that we use on a day-to-day activity. So for example, the sudo apt-get install allows you to install packages on your Kali Linux. Now, these are just some of the powerful tools that are embedded. Now, Linux loves its files permission, and of course the shmod helps you to control who can read, who can write, and who can execute certain files. Now, of course, these permissions are very important because it provides security to your system. Now, of course, certain files where you want to limit those who read, those who write, the shmod command gives you this privilege. This shmod 755 grants read, write, and execute permissions to the owner, and of course to read and execute those files. And that is it. We've covered Linux in 5 minutes, and of course right now you are able to, now from the terminal to file manipulations, you are equipped to taking your first steps into the world of Linux. Go ahead, embrace the penguin, and let the learning begin.